Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have a new video ready. This is the Camon I, a brand new budget smartphone from Tecno. Let's see what we get inside the box. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with the smartphone itself. Now let's put this aside for a moment and let's see what else is in there. Below the phone, there's a box which contains the usual quick start guide, warranty card and other paperwork, along with the TPU case for the phone. Then comes a 5-watt charger, a USB 2.0 cable and the bundled earphones. It looks like that's pretty much it. Now coming back to the phone, at first glance you can see that there's a protective film over the display with the highlights of the smartphone printed on it. Let's peel it off and boot up the device. The Tecno Camon I sports a 5.65-inch 18:9 display that is in line with the current trend. It has an HD Plus resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. The Camon I has 13 megapixel cameras at the front and the back. It also has a selfie flash at the front and a quad LED flash at the back. It sports a fingerprint scanner as well. The Camon I is fairly light and also has a metal back which makes it a bit slippery. Powering the smartphone is a quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz. It also has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. There is a dedicated microSD card slot that lets you expand the storage by up to 128 GB. The Tecno Camon I runs on Android Nougat with a custom high OS skin. It is a dual SIM device and has 2 nano SIM slots. Finally, the phone also has a non-removable 3050 mAh battery. So that is our quick look at the Tecno Camon I, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.